Eating a balanced and nutritious diet is crucial during pregnancy to support the health and development of both the mother and the baby. While it's important to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice, here are 5 nutrient-rich foods that are generally beneficial during pregnancy. 1. Leafy green vegetables. Dark, leafy greens like spinach, kale, and broccoli are excellent sources of essential nutrients such as iron, calcium, folate, and fiber. They also provide vitamins A, C, and K, which are important for a healthy pregnancy. 2. Lean protein. Protein is essential for the growth and development of the baby. Good sources of lean protein include poultry, lean meats, fish, low in mercury, eggs, legumes, and tofu. These foods also contain iron, zinc, and B vitamins. 3. Dairy products. Calcium and protein are vital during pregnancy, and dairy products like milk, cheese, and yogurt are excellent sources of both. They also provide vitamin D, which aids in the absorption of calcium. 4. Whole grains. Whole grains like oats, quinoa, brown rice, and whole wheat bread are high in fiber and essential nutrients such as B vitamins, iron, and magnesium. They provide sustained energy and help prevent constipation, a common issue during pregnancy. 5. Berries. Berries such as strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries are rich in antioxidants, fiber, and vitamin C. Remember, it's important to maintain a well-rounded diet during pregnancy, including a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Stay hydrated, avoid processed foods and excessive caffeine, and aim for regular physical activity, unless advised otherwise by your healthcare provider.